Hello everyone, how are you all doing? So, my name is Mehek Jain from GD Goenka Lapati. So, today what are we gonna do? Okay, tell me one thing. Do you all know which is the national bird of India? Do you know? It's peacock. So, let's make peacock today. Okay, so for this we need a green color sheet, a blue color sheet, out of which I have made a cutout like this. We need a pair of googly eyes. Googly eyes. We need red and blue sketch pen. We need glue. We need the craft pipe cleaner of blue color and sellotape. So let's get started. So first of all, what are we going to do is we're going to fold the green sheet in fan-like shape, like this, okay? Like this. This way we're going to fold the entire sheet. So this is how it's going to look like after folding, right? So from the middle, I'm going to hold it, right? And I'm going to press it and fold it like this. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. Now I'm going to again open it the entire thing, and I'm going to make dots. First I'm going to make an outer red color, and then in the center I'm going to color it with the blue color like this. I've done it. I'll just show it to you on both the sides, both the ends, right? So now we're going to just again fold it, and in the center we're going to put Fevicol here. So I'm going to just put some Fevicol and stick both the sides. Here, it's done. This is how it's gonna look. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, so for the peacock cutout, the one that we have taken for the shape, that's blue in color, this one. So now what are we gonna do is we're gonna stick googly eyes on it. And I've taken a small triangle shape of red color for the beak. I'm going to stick that too. Now this is how it's going to look like once you stuck everything. Isn't that cute? So now I'm going to take sellotape. I'm going to just fold it and put it behind the peacock's head, right? And I'm gonna take that pipe cleaner and I'm gonna just randomly stick it. Okay, so now this is how it's gonna look like. Isn't that cute? Okay, so now to set up the entire thing, the wings. Now what I'm going to do is you can either take Fevicol, paste it on behind the body, or you can put sellotape and just stick it gently from the lower side. Like this. And see, our peacock, our national bird, is ready. So do try this at home and show your craft work to everyone. Yes? The national bird, peacock. Okay, bye.